Vanessa, say hi to Mama. I love your hair.
Yeah.
I love your hair. Do you like your hair?
Yeah.
Do you want Mommy to keep your hair like that all the time?
Yeah.
Should I keep your hair like that all the time?
Yeah.
Okay. The spiked look is really in this year. Yeah. Can you blow me a kiss to the camera? Don't do that. You just choked. You just choked on it. You do it again because you're silly. Okay, wave bye to the camera. Mommy's gonna get you cleaned up. Say bye-bye. Bye.
No.
Yes. You're so pretty. You're such a pretty little baby.